Ladies and gentlemen, next up we have a presentation from SAN Softwares Private Limited by Mr. Minal Sandlia. Let's hear about their work. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make a huge round of applause.
Thank you so much, everyone. So basically, before starting my presentation, I would like to ask one thing. Let's suppose, just imagine, if tomorrow you are not going to have email, WhatsApp, telephone, how will you communicate? I know, very difficult, okay, but this is how business used to communicate during early 90s. Okay, so today everyone, we are talking about future, but currently I'm going to take you into past for just a 1 minute time. Here we are going to talk about the business communication, how business communication actually evolved over the period of time. So in early 19s, if you are going to see, you'll be able to see there are like speed post and postal services, how business used to communicate. And along with this, yeah, definitely one-to-one meeting was there. In early 20s, we have basically telegraph, okay, and then telephony, we all are aware about this, and then the internet-based calling. Now, in this century, basically, even in the second decade of this century, we have seen the social media boom. And of course, this is something going to change the industry. Along with this, currently we are able to see the AI boom also, and somehow this is the future. We all are aware of this. Here, but what is happening, what challenges business are facing? With the increase in the source of communication, it is hard to manage the communication. You have various kind of sources to manage the communication. When you have various sources of communication, it's hard to manage all the sources, as well as it is also hard to manage the reliability of the communication. So what basically we need to do, so how we are solving this, so there are two approach, or I would say like a two kind of methodology. One, maybe like a software company, they are going to solve it, or maybe a software product, they are going to solve it. Ultimately, it is interchanges basically. And this is what actually SAN Software is doing. So SAN Software, good morning everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Mrinal Sandil, I'm the Chief Marketing Officer of SAN Software Private Limited. We are serving this market since more than 25 years, and we are a communication-based software company who are dealing into SaaS-based communication. Talking about the SAN Software part, so we have 3 or 4 kind of product in the market. The first kind of product what we have is the cloud telephony. With the cloud telephony, we are backing various kind of helpline in government also, outside government, in private sector too. The second product what we have is the help desk management system. Here, this software is basically helping corporates as well as non-corporate government segment to manage various kind of complaint, various kind of resolution, and connecting different department and different authority within this particular software. The third and major part is the omni-channel. So by omni-channel, what I mean is all social media channel. All the communication from the social media, we help companies, we help government department to manage all the communication from omni-channels. This is our third product or third segment. And the fourth and last segment is the AI-based communication. That's the future we are currently doing in present. We are serving various clients in AI speech bot, AI chatbot, and this is something new to industry, not even in India, even outside India too. We are serving Gulf countries, we are serving other African countries also, and currently we are trying to capture the European market too. This is our presence. We are already serving most of the countries in globe. What impact we are creating with all this? So the first thing what we do is basically easy governance. Okay, so easy communication, reliable communication, we ensure that part using our software within the corporates and outside corporate too. Effective communication, that is the second part. Third part is we somehow try to reduce the local language barriers. So what is happening, of course, like we all prefer our local language. Even in India, we are aware we have lots of local language, more than 100 languages we speak generally. Okay, so in India, we are supporting around 70 languages for AI speech bot, and outside India, we are supporting approximate 100 language, including Arabic and French, German, all this kind of language we are supporting for AI speech bot part. Talking about the client part, so currently we are serving approximate 2,000 plus client in government segment. There are various famous helpline that's been supported by us. One is the Punjab CM helpline. We have Women Helpline, Indian Navy supported by us. That is, I'm talking about the technology part only. Indian Railway, the IRCTC support part supported by us. Uttarakhand Emergency Helpline, Assam Power Corporation, and there are more than 2,000 plus government segment where we are actually supporting with our technologies. Talking about the private segment, again, like a private segment, we are very aggressive in this segment, and we are serving a lots of Fortune 500 company also. And in India, we are serving lots of good brand, including Tata AIG, Max, Make My Trip, Nissan Motors, India Mart, and lots of other 2,000 plus brand. What is our expectation or what we can offer? We have around 25 years of experience in this technical domain. I would say deep tech. Telephony is a very deep tech. So yeah, of course, like since the trend is moving from the Western country to the Gulf country, Middle East, India, Asia, Pacific for the technology part. Even we are leader in this part, but ultimately we are serving to West. Now the trend is moving, and somehow we have a chance to make ourselves leader in this segment. So yeah, of course, with our experience, we can help various countries sharing our knowledge, experience with their local corporates, local businesses. Apart from this, since we have an office in United Arab Nation in Dubai, we are open for any kind of collaboration with GCC countries for supporting any kind of business needs, supporting any kind of government needs to simplify their communication. So that's a bit. Thank you so much, everyone, for your time. Thank you so much.